and he likes to be in mom's arms. So he's like, oh, I'm loving this.
44-year-old Christina Guzman may not have a place to call home, but she does have the only companion she needs.
He eats better than I do, trust me.
And keeping Roger means she'd rather sleep on the streets than leave him.
I'll straight be on the streets. This is like my child.
Guzman, along with Roger, are among many homeless individuals in Riverside County that will now have access to the Riverside Homeless Service Campus's new pet kennel on Hulen Place. Cats or dogs can stay for a few hours or overnight, and the facility will be the only kennel for homeless pets in the inland region, with the closest in Los Angeles.
Our homeless outreach team encounters at least 3 people a week, different people that have animals.
A lot of people that live in the river bottom. There are others that live around town that have their animals and aren't able to take up on our services because they don't want to leave their companion.
The $50,000 project was funded by a Housing and Urban Development block grant and only made possible by contributions from local companies and organizations.
Room for 18 animals, 12 dogs and 6 cats. Those animals would be the animals that are owned by homeless individuals that either want to take advantage of the services at our homeless shelter here in the city of Riverside or are trying to access services at the Access Center, which is a one-stop multi-service access center.
No budget was created for the kennel's operations. Local organizations will provide free services and volunteers will help run it. Vaccination and spay and neuter services will also be provided. A way for the homeless to access the services they need, and a safe place for man's or woman's best friend. In Riverside, Julianne Nahn, PE.com.